Yo, look at what I got in the mail yesterday, you guys. The Skydio 2 Plus starter kit. Comes with the Skydio 2 Plus, the battery, wall charger, USB-C to C cable, and 3 times propellers that's clockwise and counterclockwise, and a microfiber cloth. Skydio case can be used as a launch pad if I'm not mistaken. The drone actually recognizes this symbol and will do a precision landing. Oh my god guys, this is so dope. Check this out. USB cable, charger, battery, microfiber cloth. Oh, this is sick. Whoa. Skydio 2. Now it doesn't say it, but I would remove the gimbal guard before turning on the drone and charging. When entering your email and other particulars, be sure to enter them correctly, as I had a space at the end of mine and I didn't notice, and I ended up contacting Skydio and looking like a moron, so just a quick tip.